Hello friends, this is Indu Chaurasia and today we are going to discuss the process of photosynthesis. We all know photosynthesis is a process by which plant produces their food. They takes up the water from their roots, takes the carbon dioxide from atmosphere. In the presence of sunlight, they produce their organic food which is glucose. As a byproduct, they release oxygen. It is the leaves of the plant that produces the food. But what it is which produce the actual food? It is the chloroplast present in the leaves. Chloroplast is a double membranous structure which has its own DNA and ribosome, but the main structure what it has are thylakoid. These are membranous coin-like structure which are arranged in stacks called granum, and the remaining portion is called stroma. Thylakoids are the main structure that contains chlorophyll that absorbs the sunlight and uses its energy to convert carbon dioxide and water molecule into organic food. If we categorize the process of photosynthesis, here are four major steps. First is the absorption of light. Second is the electron transfer, and the most important one, generation of ATP. All these three steps are cumulatively called light reaction, which will be takes place in thylakoid. The last step is the carbon fixation, which fixes up the atmospheric carbon dioxide into organic food, which is comes under dark reaction. Here we can see the correlation between light and dark reaction. As you can see here, in thylakoid, water molecule breaks up into oxygen molecule. In the presence of sunlight, it releases ATP and NADPH, which are the energy coins of the cell, which will be sent to the Calvin cycle. This is the dark reaction. In stroma, Calvin cycle takes place, which does not require light, but it requires ATP and NADPH that are produced in light reaction. In Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide molecules go through a series of reactions with the help of various enzymes and converted into G3P, which ultimately gives the glucose molecule. So you can see the relation between light and dark reaction. In light reaction, the chlorophyll present in the thylakoid membrane absorbs the light. The chlorophyll has photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. In photosystem 2, water molecule breaks up in the presence of light and releases oxygen, and it produces the proton. This proton is then transferred to photosystem 1, which again in the presence of light goes through the NADP plus and converted into NADPH, and it also goes through ATP synthase enzyme which produce the ATP. Okay, so mainly light dependent reaction uses the water molecule to produce oxygen and NADPH and ATP, which will be used in dark reaction. Dark reaction is the Calvin cycle. We can see here this cycle, Rubisco enzyme. It takes the carbon dioxide molecule and go through a series of reaction with the help of ATP and NADPH. It convert the carbon dioxide molecule into Ga3P, which then finally converted into glucose molecule. It takes 3 ATP plus 6 ATP plus 6 NADPH, which are produced in light reaction. So ultimately, the Calvin cycle fixes up the atmospheric carbon dioxide into organic compound. If we summarizes up the process of photosynthesis, here we get this equation. 6 molecule of carbon dioxide and 6 molecule of water in the presence of sunlight will give you glucose molecule and 6 molecule of oxygen. This is the basic chemical equation of photosynthesis, and we know about this. Hydrogen molecule breaks up in thylakoid and releases the oxygen and energy in the form of ATP and NADPH, which will be used in Calvin cycle in dark reaction, which fixes up the carbon dioxide and produces glucose molecule, which is the organic food of the cell. Hope you understand the process of photosynthesis thoroughly and like the video. Thank you.